This is Paravi and Fuskor and me. We are teammate and we do YouTube marketing, Facebook ads, Google ads, and all type of digital marketing related work. Recently, our team member, Mr. Fuskar, has audited your YouTube channel and found some
Mm.
growth related issues. So, if you can fix that problem, definitely your channel possible to grow. So, if you're interested, then we'll go ahead.
What will you do that's any different, just out of interest?
Okay.
What have you noticed that's bad? What's not working?
Okay. Basically, we found that your video content quality and thumbnail quality is good, but you have some optimizations related issues and not reaching your content to your targeted audience because you are not doing optimizations. So you should research high volume rank tags and you should optimize your metadata and you should also promote your videos. So mainly we can fix all of this and we have package for that work. One is starter and another is standard. In our starter package, we will optimize your 10 video optimizations and promotions, and it costs 120 USD and it takes 7 days to deliver the work. And another package is a standard package. In our standard package, we will optimize your 30 video and it costs 300 USD and it takes 30 days to deliver the work. Okay.
Fine. So basically, you're saying how much for 10 videos?
120 USD for 10 videos and it costs 7 days to deliver the work.
Okay. So let me look into it. I'm not going to go ahead in this phone call. Let me look into it, and I will get back to you. Either and if it's a yes, if it's a no, let me just look into it. Because I haven't had time to look at anything myself, but I will get back to you one way or the other.
Okay, no
And I will.
problem, no problem. You don't need to take decisions right now. Just I am describing our each of the things, then you can take decisions, no problem. So to start the work, we have two methods. One is you can give your channel access to us as a editor or editor limited. Then we can do optimizations each of the things from our side. But if you do not want to give your channel access, we have second method, which is you just send your video links to us. Then we'll optimize from our side and make a report sheet. Then we'll hand over to you. Then you just implement to your videos by yourself. And our payment system is when you hire us, you can pay 50% advance and rest of the 50% after completing the work. And to receive money, we support Remitly, Western Union, and Payoneer. So that is all about our price, work system, and each of the things. You can decide. You can take time, no problem. When you reach a decisions, let us know. Your contact person would be Fuskar. Then he will be on task with you. Then it would be very pleasure for us if we can work with you and grow your channel. So we will eagerly waiting for your response. After finishing the meeting, Fuskar will send you an email from his Gmail. Then further communication you can continue through his Gmail. It would be good, I think.
It's fine. I would just like to know that he kind of exists. The guy that I'm speaking to on email. It would be nice to just know that he exists. You know what I mean?
Yeah, he is here. Fuskar Mondal is here.
Okay. All right. So I'll go in. I'll give it some thought, and then we'll speak another time. Okay.
Okay. So after
All right.
finishing the meeting, Fuskar will knock you and you take decisions. Then if you interested to our service, then you can let him know. No problem.
Okay. Thank you very much. Thank
Okay.
you.
Bye for now. Yeah, bye.